All right, good evening traders. Long time no see. Last week, di ako nakapag-forecast last week kasi we were so busy sa Cabanatuan City Bootcamp na I forgot to forecast yung mga mangyayaring market movements for Forex. Pero this week, babawi ako kasi this is gonna be a very interesting week right now. So, let's take a look. Start muna tayo sa calendar. So, alam natin yung mga what can happen sa buong week na to. So, Monday, we're gonna have a bank holiday dito sa New Zealand dollar. So, New Zealand. So, okay, bank holiday. Usually, Mondays are usually slow. Sometimes, ito kasi nangyayari sa market pagka Mondays. Pagka Mondays, usually picks up what happens on Friday. So, kung yung Friday puro pataas sa market, usually carries over to Monday. Unless nagkaroon some kind of major news in between weekends, then doon nag-shift. Pero most likely kung ano nangyari ng Friday, most likely it will continue on Monday. Pero it will stop on Tuesday. Kasi it's gonna be a whole new week again. And since Tuesday naman, dyan pala nagbubukas yung US banks. Okay? Kaya doon rin nakikita yung actual movements ng market. So, sa Tuesday, we will see major news dito, yung AUD. Kasi yung central bank ng Australia is gonna give some kind of advice kung ano mangyayari kasi they are planning on cutting rates this coming November, around November 5. So, malalaman natin kung ano sasabihin around sa hapon, okay, ng Bank of Australia. And we're gonna have some US news also sa gabi. Consumer confidence, we will find out. Ang daming mga major news every single day except Monday this coming week. So, let's take a look at Wednesday. Wednesday, we're gonna have some CPI, Consumer Price Index. Very important yan sa overall outlook ng isang economy of a currency. So, AUD, very interesting kasi lately, mahina AUD. Ngayon, tignan natin kung babawi siya. Okay? Forget some good news, lumakas pa sila before the cutting of the rates. Pero, cutting rates is a most likely, pero we're not fully sure yet until malaman natin kung ano mangyayari on Tuesday. All right, then same thing with US. Since it's October 30th, we're gonna have some non-farm employment change, and then Bank of Canada. Ito, another good highlight. Kasi sa mga traders natin ng Canadian dollar, so we're gonna have a policy statement. So far, according naman sa mga news, then they're gonna keep it steady. Kasi nga, according to sa mga bangko nila, they don't wanna cut rate this year. Canada has actually been a strong currency lately for the past few weeks. Pero we will see kung ano mangyayari, kung ano yung mga i-announce nila. We may hear something na we may like, something na we may not. So, tinatingnan ano mangyayari. Thursday naman, dyan, mangyayari naman yung sa US din. They're gonna define yung nila. Kakaroon sila ng tawag doon yung Thursday or Friday? Thursday nga. So, they may cut rate this Thursday. Alright? So, as you see naman, maraming mga major news. Tignan natin. And meron tayo NZD major news, business confidence, kasi medyo quiet ang NZD lately. So, tignan natin kung ano mangyayari sa mga major news na to. So, medyo ang market ngayon, magkakagulo tayo. Sa mga new traders namin sa group, just best time to trade probably Monday. If you guys want to approach it technically, with technical analysis, definitely Monday. Tuesday, stay away from AUD. Actually, stay away from AUD throughout the whole day kasi sa hapon pa yung mismong news. Hindi natin kung saan siya maglalaro. I'm gonna post naman another video if I find out something, okay? Wednesday, dami ng news, pero if you guys can trade maybe London Open strategy kasi we're not seeing any major news dito sa European countries. We're not seeing any GBP news or major Euro news except for some medium all day. Pero we will see, okay? Thursday naman, yan. Okay, mukhang crazy ulit sa umaga dahil nga may AUD news, JPY. Then sa hapon, medyo clear tayo. I think it's gonna be best time to trade yung mga European currencies. So like GBP, CHF, Euro, kasi they don't have any major news this week. Pwera lang yung Brexit. Pero as we know right now, ang mangyayari sa Brexit, magkakaroon ng parang snap election yung sa may parliament. Pero a lot of people are disagreeing. So we will see kung ano mangyayari dyan. We don't have any clear story yet. Pero like I said, if you want to approach this market technically, much better to trade ng mga European currencies. Okay? Yung mga medium news lang naman, pero nothing major. Alright? Kasi yung mga Asian currencies like the AUD, Japanese yen, medyo crazy sila this week. Also with the New Zealand dollar, and also the North American currencies like the Canadian dollar and USD. So, that's it for now sa may calendar. Let's look at kung ano nangyari sa market last week. So, let's shift to eto. So, right now we're looking at the daily chart. Kasi sobrang lakas ng Canada lately, oh. Kasi yung last week biglang nagkaroon ng shift yung market kasi in-expect ko na hihina nga yung Japan. Then kasi nga they have so many bad news, yung hagibis na storm, yung mga negative rates nila. And then kasi hindi clear sa mga investor yung mukha ng trade war. Pag kasi may trade war, mahina ang US. Merong parang, syempre, affected yung economy nila, affected yung AUD, affected yung New Zealand, and sa Brexit, may European, yung Brexit uncertainty. So, alam mo yung nag-aalanganin sila sa mga currencies na yon. So, ang nangyari, kamukha nito, here, kasi nag-trade ako last week ng AUD, So, let's look at this part right here. Let's draw on this. Okay. So, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So, in-expect ko na tataas yung AUD versus JPY kasi nga, yung JPY nga, medyo marami silang negative news. So, in-expect ko tataas to pag ganon. Pero instead, it went all the way down. Ano nangyari? Ang nangyari nga kasi dahil nga sa trade war affected lahat ng currencies, also with the Brexit, with the European currencies, investors has nowhere to go but either Canada or JPY. Canada on the other hand kasi they're not gonna cut rates this year. They're not gonna cut rates, mataas ang inflation, good for investors. Ngayon, why JPY? Kasi Japanese yen is always a safe haven currency. Lalo na ngayon, upcoming yung Olympics 2020. So a lot of investors are in Japanese yen. So kaya ito nangyari. Alright? Pero if you were to approach the market technically, so let's look at the 1 hourly chart. Let's take a look at 1 hourly. So may strategy nating support and resistance. Mag-hourly chart muna tayo. Para at least ma-explain ko sa inyo kung ano best way to approach the market depende sa takbo ng economy of the overall world. Kasi nga, according to so far sa lahat ng mga news, the whole world is on global crisis na everything is affected. Dahil nga sobrang daming gulo, Brexit, yung trade war. Kaya sobrang Okay? So let's take a look at. Let's see here kung sinunod ba niya yung support and resistance sa CAD-JPY kasi malakas ang Canadian dollar versus JPY no matter how strong JPY was. Kasi JPY was a safe haven pero tinatin kung sinunod niya lately last week. Tumaas siya rito pero never pa siya nag-reverse kasi sobrang lakas ng CAD. Pero let's look at Thursday. Nung na-hit niya to, biglang nag-down. Although di niya na-hit yung TP or yung daily pivot, pero nag-down siya from this ng 23 pips. Pwede na. Kung goal nyo is 20 pips, 15 to 20 pips, profit na kayo. Na-hit yung support, guess what? Boom. Profit din. Let's say this is Friday. Friday wala nangyari kasi nag-alanganin. Thursday, profit kayo kung nag-buy and sell kayo rito. Kung nag-sell kayo rito. Wednesday, kung nag-buy kayo, profit kayo. Same thing with Tuesday. Tingnan nyo, kung nag-sell kayo rito ng Tuesday, boom, 40 pips. Or from here, 40 pips. Tingnan mo rin yung R2 pero nag-reverse siya. Pero kung nag-trade pala kayo ng Monday, mukhang na rin siya yung R2 ng mga around after midnight. Kung nag-place kayo ng R2, profit pa rin kayo. Actually, you may have to do R3 kasi tumas pa siya hanggang dito. Kung nag-R3 kayo, ay kayo ng position of bination sa previous previous yung previous position, boom, profit pa rin kayo ng 36 pips. Or Kasi pagka naglagay kayo sa R3, magiging TP nyo lang ito. So, na-hit din niya ng 16 pips. Okay? Monday. So, Canada GPY, very profitable. Yan ang mangyayari pagka pinaglaban mo yung parehas na malakas na currency. Up and down lang siya. Now, let's look at the NZD JPY. Ito, medyo tagilid ako last week dito eh. Tagalin natin yung mga extra indicator na yan. Ano lang kasi mga under support and resistance na Fibonacci. So let's make it more cleaner. So let's take a look. Friday, na-hit na yung support, pero it tried to go up ng ilang pips. 21 pips. Actually, profit na rin tayo kung nag-buy tayo dyan. And then, pero nung Thursday, na-hit niya yung support, nagdire-diretso sa pababa. So, not good. Pero kasi mga currency pairs na either puro pataas o puro pababa for a while. Kaya sometimes yung support and resistance may not be good yung daily trading style of it kasi di na mo kumukha nito. Let's take a look. You may, kung nag-buy kayo rito, you may have to end up putting another buy position right here. So, para naka-hold pa kayo. Now, let's look at the previous day. Ito naman, hit niya yung support, pero tumaas naman. Nung ano naman to, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Tuesday naman, same story. Nalagpasan yung resistance. Kung nag-sell ka man dyan, profit ka pa rin kinabukasan. Same thing nung Monday niya. Tumaas nga siya sa R2, pero na-hit naman. Pero yung mga ganitong alanganin, yes, it can happen. Alright? Ang best way to approach this, definitely stick with it. Kasi sooner or later, this will go up. Pero let's look at the overall picture talaga niya. Ito kasi yung strong na resistance. Mukhang nag-reverse siya rito. So, possible ito bumagsak pa siya. All the way here. It really depends. Pero kasi, depende kung ano mangyayari this week sa news. Okay? Kasi ang daming news this week that will determine where the market is going. So, ito lang mga, mga forecast lang. So, ano pinaka-safe na i-trade na currencies? Again, so like I said, stick muna tayo sa mga European currencies like Euro GBP versus Euro. Euro versus GBP, ganun, or CHF versus GBP. Kasi wala naman silang mga major news upcoming this week. Pero lang yung Brexit. Pero mukhang medyo magulo, so maglalaro lang yung mga currency pairs na yon. As for the Asian ones, I would suggest not to touch muna yung mga Canada and ZD until magkaroon tayo ng clear na news kung where they are going. Kasi nga, they have so many big news this week. And unless mapahan natin kung ano yung mga news na yon, then we can tell exactly how strong each currency is. Diba? Pero that's it for now. Now, kung may mga questions mga kayo, just comment down below. Kung meron kayong mga another suggestion or ideas, comment down below. Okay? So, ano lang to, this is probably going to be the part 1 of this analysis kasi I can't really say much until I find out what's going to happen this end of the week. Kaya medyo bitin tayo sa mga information today. Alright? And it's been a while since I recorded, so keep in touch tayo this week. Alright? So that's it for now, everybody. Good night.